welcome back to another video. This is my second setup. I haven't even played it, but I don't know how good it is. And this time, it's a problem walking up. Excuse me. I'm just drinking some juice. Cargo map. There we go. I could not. I forget how you use this. You gotta like bag it. You gotta use the reverse. This should make no sense. I don't understand what these attacks are. This shit like just like it's like I don't understand it and you can take it from me, get away from it. Really just turn around that. Let me down. Oh, they got that one. Yo, let me get out of here. Oh my god, like, no, you like, This is so fucking annoying. Like, bro's actually so fucking beefy. Like, bro's actually mad beef. And the reason why I like the movie with weapons is because I'm pretty sure it's like 600 maybe. They increased it, right? Still 500. Oh well. But either way, they still kind of do good damage, even at 500 or something. I don't care. That was thinking. Keep the barrel. It's hard to rush with this Titan. I'm not gonna lie. If I had the pilot and I could actually load with its HP, it would have been easier. But I don't. Alright, this is the best. These weapons, I don't know why. Trust me, bro, when I say they do it. I think it's 800 meters range. That was 600. It was 608. Just making sure. I think. No. We got the picture. Ooh! Oh, shit. Over there. Put. I feel like I should have gotten with the gold. Yeah, I'm really good. The only thing that would have you No, that's saying something. Start with like that has been the market, man. Mud. Bang. 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 I swear, that shit. Is it? Literally, I think this is gonna be my last match. Most likely. It's almost 11. It's either it's gonna be my last match or the next match is gonna be my last match. And if the next match is gonna be my last match, then I will continue the timer. And then the video will just be 25 minutes long. I have not shown the ducks yet. I'm playing it. It's perfect because this is team deathmatch. Yeah. I still get my bad PTSD. Brother. I just wanted him to activate it before he even crossed the fucking mark where I didn't want him in cars, bro. Bro. I might have sounded stupid, but like, I was trying to make sure that he used his whatever the fuck he got before he even crossed the fucking spot where he would have me trapped. That's what I was trying to do. But literally almost his whole team is fucking dead doing all that shit. Okay, I got 2. I hope we die. No way, bro, just actually did that shit. I refuse to believe it. Hell no. Something that's not even that meta. Something that we really that are meta. I think it's not altered. That's creativity. Fucking wars like the dogs is so fucked. It's so fucked. And the worst part about it, I haven't even gotten the map I needed to show you guys. This fucking Titan can't even climb, walk up fucking ramps. Being so dead ass. Being so dead ass. I'm not sure if it's just this time, but shit. Shit's annoying. Do I play this? My TV is here. This shit is Trout beating that. Even show
Like, man, bro, like, it's so fucking big, though. You better be
the W without the face shift. I literally activated it. My voice just goes in. So I don't even know. Only on carrier, bro. I gotta get carrier. I got 2 minutes to get carrier. Can't
if my fucking hot
go away now. You're actually selling me. Up here. Anytime. need carrier. Give me 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 carrier. Nope. Nope. Not what I need. Not what I need, baby girl. Not what I need. I need something better. I need carrier. It's a big ship that flies on the fucking water. It's that simple. Just give me it. Just give me it. Just be a good girl, please. Please, just be a good girl. Brother. Bro, I need carrier. I need carrier. I need carrier so bad, man. Oh my god, bro, it's not giving me fucking carrier. Like, literally, bro, what's with you and that carrier, bro? Please, brother, just give me fucking carrier. Not hard. It's dead ass a map with fucking shit on it. Alright, I'm literally gonna do one more. If I don't get carrier from the next one, it's never work out. Come on, brother, please. Give me carrier. Bro. Alright, well, you know what? It's 11 o'clock, so I'm gonna play it safe and say this is gonna be my last match. Actually, no, it's the end of the video. Well, thank you for watching the video.